bank.
Alright guys, just to let you know what I'm using this BD series that comes from the Bucket Tackle box for the month of November. This jerk bait, beautiful jerk bait. And just note here, I've got a loop knot on here so make sure it gets all the action it can get. I'm using this medium action Cast King Perigee rod. It's my Cast King Spartacus with a 20-pound full coat on it. See if we can catch a few more. I guess if you want to catch crappie, you use a jerk bait. That's the third or fourth one I've caught on this thing. Alright guys, that does it with the fishing today. I got to run. So I gotta go pick up my kids. Just trying to catch some fish on a jerk bait. Just trying to get my technique down a little bit better. That's basically all I was doing. Of course, every situation is going to be different. Every day is going to be different. But I just want to show you just me catching some fish. And actually, caught more crappie than anything. But, you know, that's fine too. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Catch you next video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in the next video. Take care, guys.